Hi Sunil, thanks very much for the question. Now I'm working away at the moment, so I'm briefly doing video answers for customers with regards to their problems and trying to keep up on the workload while I'm away traveling. I'll explain everything after I've gone through your fault. Now you've got an Indesit I1D80W vented tumble dryer. You've been using the machine for 2 years and you think it's stopped heating. Now, you did say that you've actually watched a couple of my videos with regards explaining that you shouldn't open the door and shut the door to test if the clothes are dry when it's running. The reason being is they need to run their full cooling cycle so that you don't open the door and cut the airflow off to the heater, because this can cause problems with the thermostatic system. Now you're asking me basically what to test. There are a couple of videos on the YouTube channel with regards Indesit and Hotpoint vented tumble dryers, and they will show you how to test the thermostatic system on top of the heater and also the forward thermostat system. Basically, one of the thermostats on the heater is a cycling thermostat. The other thermostat is called a cutout safety stat. Now this cutout safety stat can go open circuit and need replacing if you have been opening and shutting the door constantly, testing whether the clothes are dry, because the excess heat that is generated when the airflow cuts off can cause problems with this. So I will put a couple of videos in the description. It'll take you through to a web page where there will be a lot of videos to assist you with your repair. Now, once you've found out whether it's the cutout thermostat or the safety thermostat that's gone faulty, or even possibly the heating system, and remember, on some of these vented tumble dryers, there is even a thermostatic system at the front of the machine, and that's a separate thermostat or NTC sensor on some of the newer models, which is on the air ducting system coming from the fluff filter in the door. So you're going to need to check all these, so I'll put all these videos on this web page for you, and any spare parts that you need will be on the page. But do be aware, because you haven't given me the full model number, there are a couple of different variations of the machine. So do make sure when you open the door, you'll see the ID plate. Make sure you match that up before ordering any spare parts. And if you need any further assistance, feel free to contact us. I'm using Starlink while working away, so I've got internet wherever I am. Now, just quickly to give you a rundown of where I am, I'm actually in North Africa at the moment, and basically I've been filming the appliance industry in Europe, but because of Brexit, I've had to get out of Europe for 90 days. So rather than driving all the way back to Britain, I've decided to come into North Africa. I'm just about 2-hour drive down from a city called Agadir, and I've brought the bike out for the afternoon to come down to some of these remote places. This is a beach in the middle of nowhere, and as you can see, it's absolutely stunning. And I'm lucky I've got the bike with me, and I can even bring my work with me, which is helping people like you even when I'm away. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the picturesque background. The link is in the description for your problem on your machine, and if you need any further assistance, feel free to send us an email and I'll try and answer you as quick as I can. Have a great day, mate.